going to take me to the market to bought this clothes from. And you are going to remove it there. I don't care if you come back home naked. Now move. I say move. Move. I say move. I say you should move. Get out. I want to disgrace you. Eh? I said, come on, move. Come on, move, get out from this place. I said, move. Come. You mean you bought those clothes from this place?
Yes, Mommy. This was the place I bought them.
Jesus Christ. You mean you can't see?
See what, Mommy?
God, open the eyes of my daughter, just as you opened Gehazi's eyes to behold your strength.
Mommy, see. They are not ordinary men again, no. They are wearing black, Mommy. Mommy, I'm afraid.
Those are people you went to buy clothes from. Many are agents of darkness who transform themselves to human beings to pollute the lives of children of God. Eh? See innocent girls buying clothes from hell, all in the name of modern fashion. Many have brought those clothes into church, not knowing that they have brought immoral clothes into the church and have contaminated themselves with evil. Some tailors are also from the spirit world with immoral designs, but they are in human flesh. So this is where you came to buy clothes from. Of all places. All because you want to be sharp. Eh? Just because you want to be sharp. You don't know that many girls have been initiated through those clothes.
But, Mommy, how did you see them?
Only those who are spiritually sensitive will know the signs and traits of darkness. Eh? But you can't see them if you are loaded with things of this world.
Let me see. They are looking at us. I'm afraid.
You better leave this world, you evil men. Before the Holy Ghost fire consume you. You can't do me anything because I have the mark of Jesus Christ on my head. You better get out of this place.
Venus, our stay in this place is over.
Yes.
We cannot continue in this place any longer.
Yes.
We have been discovered.
Yes.
Venus, let us go to another market and get something different from Lucifer.
Something different like what?
We can get artificial nails,
Gold.
unnecessary rings and necklaces.
Yes.
Satanic chewing gums.
Yes.
Tattoo marks. And earrings for men. Venus, remember, the church members not like them.